Hey guys, welcome back to the Cotton channel. So today we'll be talking about how you can install an app on your iPhone. So it's actually very easy. So you need to look for your app store. Okay, there's two ways of doing this. So one is you can swipe down and then search for your app store. Or if your phone is not super organized, you can just it's either your phone is organized or not organized, so you know how to look for your app store. So once you're there, you want to look for the games that you want to download. So let's say today we want to install, what do we want to install? There are games, there are apps, and there are many stuff that you can install on your iPhone. So I basically have everything already. TikTok, Netflix, IKEA. Okay, let's install IKEA shopping. So all you need to do is just press on it, and there's a get button or there's a club button. Club button, that means that you have already previously installed this on your phone, but you have just uninstalled it. And then if it's get, then you just get. So if they are chargeable, there should be a price on it. So yep, like this. So it's like they would let you know how much is this app, and then you just need to purchase the app if it's not free. And if it's free, you just need to press on get and then maybe key in your password. But I've already set it to not require password for free stuff. So now you know. So this is how you can install an app on your iPhone. So if you have any questions, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video again. Bye bye.